Welcome to the DoubleACS Daily News. Attleboro High School students in the criminal justice class recently had an opportunity to learn more about how the criminal justice system works. Bristol County District Attorney Thomas Quinn recently visited the school. We spoke with him and several of the students.
I'm John Dean. I'm a senior at Attleboro High School. Currently we are in Mr. Reed's criminal justice senior class. We're currently working on doing stuff for our youth court that we've been making for the past couple months. It's our senior project. Currently my group's been working on training the juniors because they're going to be taking over for us when we leave, and just trying to get everything set up for the 2 trials that are going to be coming up after break. We have a couple roles. We have the role of the judge, we have the clerk, bailiff, jury. All of them have different roles and meaning within the court. Specifically, the judge will basically make sure proceedings go well. Jury will come back with a good disposition to give to a student that's been referred to us. And then the clerk will make sure all paperwork's filed. DA Quinn, I'm very happy that he's come in, because that just goes to show the amount of outreach that we're having currently. I'm going into rehabilitation counseling at Assumption University, and this being focused on restorative justice and restorative practices is something that is definitely going to be helping me to pursue my passions of helping other people out.
I'm Hernandez, and right now we're currently working on getting our first trial cases set up and train the future criminal justice classes. I've always been really interested in the law and how it affects people daily. I used to want to be a lawyer, but now I've moved on to a more psychological aspect of criminal justice. I've always kind of been interested in reasons why people commit crimes. Almost 32 years ago, there was a murder here in Attleboro, and the victim was actually my grandma's brother, but they recently caught him after it being a cold case for so long. I think it really does prepare students that are truly interested in this type of career, because it really prepares you on the basics so that college will be a lot smoother and they can move on to more deeper, detailed courses of criminal justice.
I'm District Attorney Tom Quinn, and I'm the District Attorney for Bristol County. Was happy to come here to Attleboro High School today. After speaking with Representative Hawkins, became aware of the criminal justice students here starting a youth court. They have several throughout the county. I was made aware that they got approval by making a presentation to the school committee recently. So we came here to meet them and answer any questions they had and find out about the process they were trying to implement, because they are starting from the beginning, at least in this school. Saw the courtroom here with the furniture that was been built by the students. So I was very impressed with their initiative. Speaking to most, if not all, of the students, they seem intelligent, they seem motivated to try to have a process here that works. I think by creating and participating in this program, they're going to be ahead of many people their age. They're going to have insights into the criminal justice process, how it works. They're going to have the ability to hear facts and make a decision about what type of sanction should be imposed in arriving at a reasonable decision. I must say, in talking to the students, I'm very impressed with them. They certainly are far ahead of me when I was at that age in high school. So I think that they had a good understanding of the process. They were working together as a team, and I think it's going to be very beneficial to them going forward, whether they are in criminal justice or not.